friends, welcome to another edition of Cooking with Jay here in my Jazzy J kitchen. Hope you all are doing well, and as always, thank you for watching these cooking segments. And again, just to let you know, I do these for fun. I'm a foodie, I'm a serious foodie. I love cooking. I've been cooking for years. I'm not a trained chef. I just like creating. I'm an artist, just like with my music. I like writing and composing and arranging and practicing and giving concerts and those type things. Cooking, I parallel cooking with the art of creating music. You know, there are these interesting, creating flavor profiles. Just like in music, you have harmony, melody, and rhythm. It's all connected to me. So I just love cooking, and I thank you for watching. On today's edition of the program, I am going to make a mango ginger chicken pita sandwich, right, with mango chutney. A mango chutney ginger chicken pita sandwich with an avocado salad with a honey lemon vinaigrette. Okay, and I'm going to show you how I make all of these, all three of these dishes. It's a pretty simple combination to put together, and I use ground chicken meat. And normally I would make my own chutney. I love making chutneys, like plum chutney, mango chutney, pineapple chutney, apple chutney. But I bought some chutney because I wouldn't have time to cook the chutney here for this program. So I bought the Sharwood's mango chutney. I think they make a really good chutney. So it's a mango ginger chutney. Okay, so let's get busy cooking, and maybe you might like to try this dish if you see how I put it together, and maybe can taste these flavor profiles as I'm putting it together, and we'll see what happens. Okay, let's get busy cooking. Okay, let's see, turn this heat up a little bit. In the saucepan here, I just have some olive oil heating up. And here I have some diced up red onions. I put these in here. It's going to take a minute to heat that up. Set this aside. Oh! Now, while that's heating up with these onions, I already put my salad together. Now let me tell you what I put in this salad. I have some baby romaine lettuce. Okay? I have one avocado diced up. See, it's the avocado pieces. All right. I have tomato. You can use cherry tomatoes. Just slice the cherry tomatoes in half, but I didn't. I used a different kind of tomato in here. A white onion. So I have some white onion. Right. So tomato, onions, baby romaine lettuce, avocado, and then I'm going to make this honey lemon vinaigrette to go over this delicious salad. Okay, so back to that in just a moment. All right, so my onions are starting to cook. And you just want to cook the onions just for a few minutes, not too long. All right, and then over here, I have some ground chicken that I'm going to put in here, because I use ground chicken meat for this. Normally, well, also, you can also make this with pita pocket bread. Man, that was my preferred choice for this, but I couldn't find any pocket bread, so I just got the flat pita bread, and I'll just make like the chicken pita sandwich out of it. But the pocket bread would also be very good and tasty. It will work. Yes, indeed, it will work. Down a little bit. Alright, now what I want to do is add this ground chicken meat to the onions. Woo! Yes. And I want to add just a tad more bit of olive oil. And mix the onions in with the ground chicken meat. And when the meat starts cooking, it's hard to hear the music. I'm going to break the chicken up in little pieces. While that's cooking, we'll get some pepper. Good healthy dose of some freshly ground black pepper. Yeah. Some salt. All right. Don't put too much salt in here. Not too much. All right. Let the chicken meat cook with the onions. I'm using red onions in there. I think I said that. Some olive oil. All right. While the chicken is cooking, let's make our salad dressing. Okay. I'll just take this off. Pours faster. So we have some honey. I'm just cooking for myself, so I'll make maybe a 1/4 cup of this honey. Get me some lemon juice. The juice of a lemon in here. It's 1/2. The other half. Okay. And I'm going to add some balsamic vinegar, just a tad, not quite a tablespoon. Then I want to mix this up in this honey. Oh yeah. Oh yes, yes. All right, set this right there. Check my chicken. Chicken is getting there. And again, just in this saucepan, just some olive oil. Dice up red, small red onion or half of a medium onion. Dice it up, cook it just for a couple of minutes, and then add some ground chicken meat. Use organic chicken meat. And break up the meat, get it in fine little pieces. And you just cook the chicken meat for a little while. The ground meat will cook faster than a chicken breast. But we want to get it fine. Break up the meat in fine little pieces. Because once the chicken is ready, then I'm going to add some of this mango ginger chutney. Oh yeah, it's almost there. Turn that down a little bit. Okay, now check my dressing over here. Again, in here in my dressing, it's honey, juice of a lemon, and some balsamic vinegar. Okay, set this over here. Now what I want to do and need to do is taste my dressing. That's delicious. It's delicious. Oh. Okay. Now, get my trusty spoon, because we're going to add, I use this Sharwood's mango ginger chutney. But again, you can make your own chutney. And I put some of this chutney in here. All right. Then I'm going to mix this chicken around in this chutney. This mango ginger chutney. How much chicken? maybe a pound or a little less than a pound of ground chicken meat. Oh, it smells so good too. It smells wonderful, wonderful. Now let that continue heating up a bit. And I want to remind you about my salad, my avocado salad. Again, I'm using baby romaine lettuce, diced up one avocado, diced up a tomato, white onion, and let's see, what else is in there? Yeah, just a tomato, avocado, onion, baby romaine lettuce, and then the honey lemon vinaigrette that I just put together there. And what I'm going to do is move my garnish off to the side, put some of this dressing, drizzle some of this dressing over the salad. My goodness gracious. And I am so hungry tonight too. That's a good thing, because I plan on doing some serious eating here shortly. Okay, all right, so we got that together. That's my salad. Put my lemon garnish back up top there. Okay, stir this up one more time. You see how easy this is to put together? Yes, that's done. We'll turn that off. I want to get some sriracha sauce out of the refrigerator. Wait a minute. Okay. Got my sriracha sauce. Now I think it's time to plate and make my sandwich. Chicken meat right there on the pita bread. Woohoo, man. Then I want to drizzle just with a little bit of sriracha. Now, here we have the mango ginger chutney chicken pita sandwiches with a little bit of sriracha sauce on there, right? Along with my avocado salad with my honey lemon vinaigrette to go over. That's my dinner for tonight. Set this over here. Okay, put these down there. Wow, see how easy that was to make? Mango ginger chutney chicken pita sandwiches with an avocado salad with a honey lemon vinaigrette. That's my menu today in Jazzy J's kitchen. If you try it, if you try to make it, again, it's pretty simple. Let me know what you think. I always love to hear from you, and I want to thank those of you who watch the program and who respond and try some of my recipes out. And as always, thank you too for watching the WHO public media social media page, and for supporting Senate in Session, my jazz show, and the Army Chronicles, and WHRV and WHRO FM, radio and television, WHRO television as well. You're the best. We'll see you again soon with some more cooking from Jazzy J's Kitchen. Stay safe as always out there, friends, and we'll see you again soon. Thank you.